What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing long anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. We will tell you everything you need to know about Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, so you might want to watch this video until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Now comes the favorite part of our video, and that's Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite unboxing. In the box we have Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, USB Type-C 2.0, power brick, SIM ejector, come on box, stop fighting us. What else do we have in this little pouch? It seems like we have a quick start guide and possibly warranty for our tablet. Here is the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite pen, which by the way is included in the purchase price, and you don't have to go out there and spend extra money. Can you believe this, guys? Apple, please take notes on including smart pens for your already very expensive tablets from Samsung. Guys, smash that like button for Samsung, including the Samsung Tab S6 Lite S Pen, and comment down below if you think it's nice of Samsung to do that. Now let's move on to our Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite review. The tablet is offered in either dual band Wi-Fi or 4G LTE configurations. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is powered by octa-core 2.3 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 processor that comes with 4 GB of RAM. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite runs on Android 10.0 operating system. It comes with 7040 milliamp hours ion battery, which supports fast charging, and once fully charged can run up to 12 hours, which is great time considering this is Samsung's mid-range tablet. Over the course of day, the 7040 milliamp hour battery lasted me well, and I didn't have to charge up again until the second day. That included watching some videos, Netflix, and gaming, as well as email and web browsing. Like I mentioned before, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with 4 GB of RAM memory, and that's good enough for most activities. Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has two types of storage for you to choose from, which is 64 GB or 128 GB. And also, it is expandable up to 1 TB of memory. Its dimensions are 9.63 inches by 6.07 inches with the thickness of 0.28 inches, and it weighs approximately of 1.01 pounds. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and of course USB Type-C 2.0. And it comes with WXGA plus 2000 by 1200 TFT LCD display, which size is 10.4 inches. And it has immersive corner-to-corner view with its resolution, crisp clear, and captivating. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has 2 speakers powered by AKG sound, and it has Dolby surround sound option as well. There's also 3.5mm stereo jack, which is great because most of the new devices come without one. When it comes to cameras, the S6 Lite comes with an 8 megapixel rear camera that has 1.9 aperture and 5 megapixels front camera. Those are pretty average quality these days for cheaper tablets, but you can get selfies, participate in video chats, or capture quick photos for presentations or work, so it does everything the average consumer needs it to do. Tab S6 Lite for security measures comes with a facial recognition, which is amazing considering this is Samsung's new entry-level tablet. Samsung also gives you different color options to choose from, and these colors are Oxford Grey, Angora Blue, Chiffon, Rosé, which is the one we have here in the video today, and I'm sorry if my pronunciation is incorrect. Best part about new Samsung tablets is that they come with a magnetic S Pen, unlike Apple. If you use it with Samsung Notes, the S Pen can change handwritten notes to text and make content up to 300% bigger. And it allows you to export jotting as PDF, Word, and text files. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is very slim, like I mentioned in the specifications. Its dimensions are 9.63 inches tall by 6.07 inches wide and 0.28 inches thick, or 244.6 millimeters tall by 154.2 millimeters wide and 7.1 millimeters thick. It weighs approximately 1.01 pounds or 458 grams. Thanks to the slim dimensions and materials used, it feels very premium. Available in Oxford Grey, Angora Blue, or Chiffon Pink, which is the one we have, Samsung gives you great options of colors to choose from. If you place Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite vertically, on the top it has the headphone jack slightly off center, with the front camera in the middle of the bezel, power button and volume rocker on the right side, with the micro SD card tray underneath those buttons. And of course the USB-C port on the bottom. Not all affordable tablets have USB-C ports. Some are stuck with micro USB, which is typically slower for data transfer and charging. So it's nice to see USB-C here. The audio jack will also be a great surprise to users who prefer wired headphones. And the rear camera is placed on the top right corner. On the top right and bottom right are the dual AKG speakers with Dolby Atmos surround sound. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has 10.4-inch TFT screen with 2000 by 1200 resolution. That's only 0.1 inches smaller than non-Lite tablet, but the lack of AMOLED panel with a higher resolution is one of the biggest differences between both. The screen quality is pretty good for TFT as it's bright and can be seen well even when outdoors. Of course, maybe when comparing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 and its AMOLED panel, you would probably notice a difference in colors. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite S Pen is slim and has a button at the bottom. One side of the S Pen is magnetic, which allows it to be attached to either side of the tablet, so you don't lose it if you don't have a case. Guys, smash that like button if you think Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has a great design, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. When it comes to the features, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is loaded with them, but some that are worth mentioning is of course facial recognition. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite Pen Up app, which is a great tool for anyone who likes to doodle, color designs, or see what kind of art they can create. Samsung Tab S6 Lite S Pen is very versatile. The Samsung Tab S6 Lite S Pen is great for editing documents, photos, and taking notes. Like other Samsung devices, the screen off memo also means you can take notes without even turning on the screen. For users who also have Samsung phone too, you can connect the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to your phone so you can answer calls when you're using the S6 Lite. It's a small but very useful feature that means you won't have to set the tablet aside to find your phone when a call comes in. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite also has SmartThings for working with your smart home devices. You can see there's plenty of options to choose from thermostats to security to garage doors. So it is a very useful feature that I'm sure a lot of people will find it handy. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite also has a multi-window tray you can slide out to jump between favorite apps quickly. One of the most important features that I'm sure a lot of users will be happy about is of course the headphone jack, because it gives you options when it comes to purchasing and using wired or wireless headphones. Whether you want to use the tablet with your favorite pair of Bluetooth headphones like the Samsung Buds or good old-fashioned wired headphones, you can with this tablet, thanks to the built-in headphone jack, which is a big plus to many users. When it comes to the controls, there isn't many physical buttons left, only volume rocker and power lock and unlock button. There is no more physical home button, and your virtual buttons are placed at the bottom of the screen, which is your back button, your home button, and your recent apps button. To access your apps, you need to slide up. And to access your settings, you need to slide down on your display. The Tab S6 Lite has a good 10.4-inch WUXGA plus TFT display that delivers 2000 by 1200 pixels. The display is bright even outdoors and features 16 million colors for true-to-life images and video. Netflix and other streaming services look great on the tablet, and YouTube videos in HD at 60 frames per second look especially phenomenal. The two AKG speakers paired with Dolby Atmos surround sound sounds amazing. I'm gonna put on one of my videos for you guys, and hopefully my mic will be able to deliver the true sound of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to you, and you can also experience the great quality of the video as well. What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing NACTEC 21-watt solar charger. We will tell you everything you need to know about NACTEC solar charger, so please keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top, so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Now we will do the benchmark testing in Geekbench to see how well the CPU of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite performs. As you can see, it gets 255 single core score and 1005 multi-core score. Honestly, I was expecting a better score considering the fact that with Texas, The 64GB model tablet will cost you $370. And if you go for a 128GB model, it will be well over $400. Some of you might say, well, in that case, it's better to go with Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and I would agree with you guys. However, not everyone will be able to afford it because Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is Samsung's top-of-the-line tablet and it's much more expensive, standing at almost $800. But if you go with Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, you will have a nuclear station for a tablet and it's definitely worth it. If you're in the market for a great tablet, I would just save up for a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 instead of spending half of that on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite that doesn't even come close in terms of performance to S6. Guys, smash that like button if you were also disappointed by these benchmark results, and let me know what you think in regards to that in the comment section down below. Despite the fact that Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite didn't perform that well on the benchmark test, with the Samsung octa-core processor, I didn't experience any slowdowns or issues that you might see on some cheaper tablets. The processor and RAM can handle a lot considering the fact that this is Samsung's new entry-level tablet. When playing games, I think it performs well. It runs less demanding games like Madden and FIFA absolutely with no issues, and graphics are awesome as well. When it comes to more demanding games like PUBG, I did encounter some occasional stuttering, but nothing too bad considering that I was playing that game on ultra settings. However, Need for Speed, which is also a more demanding game, ran great like a knife through butter with absolutely no issues, and I really enjoyed its graphics as well. I tried downloading Fortnite as well, but I couldn't find it in the Play Store, so I think it's still not supported by Android devices. So I'm sorry to all of my Fortnite fans. Thank you very much for watching my video about Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.